Hi, welcome to Don's Manufactory. Well, here I am with Betsy. Uh, you know, things aren't going so great with the paint. It's having adhesion problems. So now I'm running experiments to try to figure that out. This is not good adhesion when it looks like it tears instead of feathers, and I can just peel the where it's bare metal. I can just peel the primer off with my fingernail after a week. You know, it's epoxy. It's supposed to set up. That's not good adhesion. Sticks real good to the paint, but not to the bare metal. But see how it just balls up and it just comes right off without, it doesn't feather. See, it should feather nice and smooth like this, like the original. But it doesn't. It comes off in chunks like that. Places where the primer was on bare metal, it just kind of comes off in chunks and flakes. So, yeah, not good. It's really a shame because I blocked the top, and it's like if I didn't have adhesion problems, this top would be perfect and ready to go. Working on the cowl here this morning. Yeah, gosh, I get to strip these again. Great fun. See, there's OSPO etched there, that's unetched there. Just to see how much difference it makes in adhesion. We'll try an experiment there. Ended up doing a little extra fill, smoothing out a couple of spots that were revealed when I shot it with primer. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I'm having a heck of a time. Might have been all my fault. Maybe I didn't prepare stuff properly, and that's why it didn't stick. Oh, it's just really frustrating to me to try to figure this out. Now that I have bare metal, I have got to solve the problem. I don't see much test data on adhesion tests like this. Everybody says this product sticks better than that product. You should do this before you do that. How do they know that? That's the way they do it, and the customers don't come back after 2 years or something. They consider that a success. Betsy didn't have any paint lifting after 35 years, and that's the goal here. This is all I'm doing, is sanding, and sanding, and I'm experimenting to try to get the paint to stick. Well, okay, it's not the whole thing I'm doing. I just went to Harbor Freight, got some cheap LED tubes that I can replace my 4-footers in the rest of the lighting here in the paint booth. And I also got some just all in one piece, normally hang with a pull chain, so it's all self-contained. And I can lay these on the floor along the edges of the car. Lots of light down low, so I can see the chute paint, and it gives me a light reflection off the car down low so that I can keep track of my film thickness and the wetness of the edge. Okay, so that's it. I have no more news. I can't show you anything more than you're seeing right here. It's really a drag that I have to knock all of this paint off of here, but that's what I'm doing. Okay, thanks for watching. Catch you later.